Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to check community guidelines violations. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is when you're on your profile page on your TikTok, all you have to do is click on these three white lines in the top right corner of your screen. And then from there, just go ahead and head over into your TikTok studio and then just scroll down a little bit past the inspiration section. And then from here, just go ahead and run yourself an account check. Then as you see, it will do a bunch of different checks, but it'll essentially tell you if you have any community guidelines violations. So these are violations and these are ineligibles, and you'll see all the different ones. And if your account is in any sort of danger or anything like that. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.